Before we talk tools, let me tell you something every real hacker learns the hard way. In the beginning, you think hacking is all about commands, terminals, exploits, payloads, but then one day, after hours of digging through logs, pivoting through networks, chaining vulnerabilities like an artist, you realize you forgot one tiny command or one hidden parameter that opened the entire system yesterday and now it's gone. That's when it hits you. Hacking isn't just about breaking things, it's about remembering how you broke them. Every trick, every bypass, every odd behavior from a target, this is your treasure. The difference between a beginner and a beast in bug bounty isn't IQ, it's organization, it's workflow, it's knowing exactly where your recon notes are, which payload worked on what endpoint, which directory contained that juicy file, and why that weird cookie responded differently at 3 a.m. A hacker without notes is a hacker who forgets their own power. But a hacker with a well-organized notes system, that's someone building a personal database of exploits, failures, patterns, and victories. A weapon library that grows sharper with every engagement. Today, we're going to build yours. Now let's dive into the best note-keeping apps for hackers. Not as boring software reviews, but as tools that will shape the way you think, document, and execute your attacks. Cherry Tree is like a hacker's digital command center. Raw, simple, powerful. It's the app where your notes turn into a structured, color-coded map of your entire hacking journey. Multi-level trees let you break down recon, enumeration, exploitation, and post-exploitation into clean chapters. You can paste code, screenshots, payloads, cheat sheets, all in one encrypted file. For hackers who want a no-nonsense offline vault that grows with every test and every bug report, Cherry Tree is pure gold. Joplin. Joplin feels like the perfect balance between simplicity and portability. If you're a hacker who jumps between devices, labs, VMs, and different environments, Joplin becomes your reliable companion. It uses Markdown, which means your payloads, POCs, command sequences, and notes look clean and readable. And everything syncs across your devices securely. It's the tool where you don't just store notes, you organize your thought process. Tag vulnerabilities, group recon results, save web screenshots, attach output files, Joplin turns chaos into clarity. For bug bounty hunters who want to move fast without losing their trail, Joplin is a top-tier choice. Obsidian is not a note app. It's a second brain. Hackers who use Obsidian don't just write notes. They create knowledge networks. Imagine linking your SQLI notes to your authentication bypass notes, connecting recon techniques to enumeration tools, or linking payloads to CVEs automatically. Everything in Obsidian becomes a web, and that web mirrors how a hacker thinks. Connections, patterns, relationships. The graph view alone feels like visualizing your own mind. If you're the kind of hacker who wants to build a long-term knowledge base that grows with your career, Obsidian will turn your notes into a living, breathing system. Google Docs. Some hackers underestimate Google Docs, but not the smart ones. This tool is a collaboration monster. If you work with teams, do CTFs with friends, or share bug bounty reports, Docs gives you real-time editing, comments, version history, and easy sharing. When you're documenting an exploit chain or drafting a detailed vulnerability report with screenshots and steps to reproduce, Google Docs makes the process smooth. It's cloud-based, reliable, and accessible anywhere. Perfect for hackers who need mobility and instant teamwork without overthinking structure. Microsoft OneNote. OneNote is like a digital notebook that never ends. Flexible pages, freeform writing, annotation tools. It's perfect for hackers who like their notes messy but organized. You can mix handwriting, screenshots, diagrams, commands, and step-by-step exploit paths all on one page. OneNote feels like a hacker's sketchbook, a place where ideas, attack plans, and payload tests can be dumped freely before being refined later. If you're someone who thinks visually or likes to brainstorm without boundaries, OneNote gives you the freedom to create your own hacking workspace. And before we wrap this up, remember this. Tools will change, techniques will evolve, but the hacker who documents everything will always stay ahead of the game. If you build your own knowledge vault, no one can take that power from you. So if this video helped you sharpen your workflow, helped you level up your game, or even gave you one idea that makes you a better hacker, then do me a favor, like the video, share it with someone who needs it, and smash that subscribe button so you never miss the next update, and I'll see you in the next one.